Hello everybody. I'm here because I wanted to give you a little heads up about this coming Sunday, January 5th, in my live stream, which is at noon Central Time. I thought that by coming on here now, it might help to prepare if you want to play along. I'm going to do 3 different projects, and I'm going to start doing that. Try to do this every Sunday that I can be on, is work on 3 different little projects that, whether you play along or not, hopefully you'll enjoy. Most of you know about this little journal. It's just a little junk journal, and I am going to be doing 1 page in it each Sunday. And I'm probably going to do this in sort of a art journal style. Not so much a glue book or anything. I haven't decided yet. I might change my mind. Each page might be totally, completely different. So that's one of the projects that I will be working on Sunday. Next, I have really wanted to do another one of these books. If you all didn't play along with this project, it was just so much fun that I want to do another one. It has a wonderful, lovely sound and feel, and it just makes me completely and utterly in love with it every time I touch it. So I want to make another one, and if you want to play along with this project, I'm going to be working on it a little bit each Sunday. I am not going to try to accomplish it all in 1 month or anything like that, but I'm going to work on it each Sunday. There is a complete flip, and I will link to the flip and to the prep video and that kind of thing, but I can tell you what you need right here. But I will do some links to this video. I will actually also link to this video. What you need for this book, and especially this first Sunday, is very simple, because what we have to do is we have to get a layer on here. And so you need some kind of card. Now, this book was made with Lipton soup boxes. That's what its base is. So any kind of tagboard, cardboard that you want to make your pages out of, they don't even have to be the same size if you don't want them to be the same size. Oh, that might be fun too. So you need a fair amount of this, and it would be best to have your pages cut to basically the size you want them. Now, the original book that several people made were made with a base of playing cards of some sort. I'm actually this time going to use these. These are advertising postcards. They're bead advertising postcards, and you're going to want some kind of sandpaper or sanding block to take the surface off of your card just a little bit. Doesn't have to be a lot. You just take the surface down. I will probably get out some sandpaper because this block is just not very aggressive. But you want to take that glossy surface off of them, and I will have to do that to the fronts of these. So you'll want some kind of, there's a piece of sandpaper right there, a piece of sandpaper, just to sand those down a little bit. And then you're going to want some kind of, oh, I'm sorry, I should have told you. With this, you're going to want whatever kind of little giblets you want to put in there. If you want to use it as a glue book, whatever you think you want to put on your page that we work on, you want for that. Then whatever kind of base layer, and this book used scraps from the scrap bin, and that is, you know, that's it was fabulous. I just used all kinds of scraps that were in my scrap bin. But this time I am going to use the insides of the security envelopes. All of these security envelopes, that's what I'm going to use. So for that project, you'll want some cardboard of some sort, your sandpaper, and scraps, and of course something to glue it down with, and I'm going to use my Mod Podge glue mixture. Then I have one other project. Oh, and I already got it dirty. Okay. And I am going to use a single sheet of paper and make a zine. And a zine is basically a little tiny book that you can reproduce if you want to. This book is going to be made, or magazine is going to be made with one 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper so that I can copy it if I so choose to. So I will need whatever scraps or little fun things that I want to use on this paper as well. So if you have an image bin or stamps or something that you want to use, then you might want to have them prepared. But those are my 3 projects that I am planning to work on this Sunday, January 5th. And I'm going to continue working on the 2 bigger projects, and I plan to try to make a tiny book each. I may make a zine every week this year. I don't know. I haven't made my decisions with that yet. But that's the 3 things I'm going to be working on if you want to play along. I know that back when we made this, a lot of people wanted to make another one, and I don't know that anybody did, and it would just make me very happy if you wanted to play along with this book. So, I hope that will make you a little more prepared for Sunday. Excuse me. Let me read you a quote from our 1001 Ways to Creativity. A lot of creative people find that setting daily targets helps to motivate them. Well, I can set daily targets, but I very rarely manage to make them. So, anyways, guys, go have fun, make some art. We'll see you Sunday at noon Central Time.